Friends, today we are see how to make a pocket fan by using electronic component. This is a required component of make a pocket fan. This is a battery cap. This is a battery. This is a breadboard. This is a push button, and this is a jumper wire. And this one is a DC motor with a fan. Now you can see here we are connect the positive terminal of motor on breadboard and connect the another negative terminal of DC motor on another roll of breadboard. Now connect between the positive terminal of DC motor and positive terminal of battery. Connect the one push button. The connect on breadboard one terminal of push button between the DC motor and positive terminal of battery. Now you can see here we are connect one jumper wire, then remain in the negative terminal of DC motor and negative terminal of breadboard. Now you can see here our circuit is ready. Now connect our battery cap and battery on breadboard, which is a red color wire that is called positive terminal. We are connect the positive side on breadboard, and which is a black color wire that is called negative terminal of battery, that is connect on the negative rail on breadboard. Now you can see here friend, when you are push a button your fan will be rotate and you can enjoy it. Thank you.